Hello, everyone. You're watching Cricket Next. I am Suramya Kaushik, and I'm here with the pre-match show for Punjab Kings versus Chennai Super Kings match that's going to happen in the abode of the Himalayas in Dharamshala. Now, with all the live updates, I have with me Soumya Kapoor, who's already present in Dharamshala. Now, with the snow-capped mountains that we can see at the back of him, let's hear out from him only that what's happening there and what are the recent updates.
Yeah. So thank you for having me on the show, first of all, Ramya. And it's a great, it's a great venue to be around. Okay, बहुत अच्छा एक वाइब आता है यहाँ पे. सुनील जोशी पंजाब किंग्स के स्पिन बॉलिंग कोच ने भी उन्होंने भी एग्जैक्टली ये चीज़ बोली कि यार यहाँ पे वाइब बहुत अच्छा है. तो एग्जैक्टली एंड द वेदर इज वेरी वेरी प्लेजेंट. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं है, थोड़ी सी सनलाइट है, ड्रिजल हल्का सा हुआ था सुबह, बट उसके बाद इट हैज़ वाइप्ड आउट. सो कहीं ना कहीं एक बहुत अच्छा एक एटमॉस्फेयर मिलने वाला है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ संडे, जो मैच होगा वो
Yeah,
संडे इवनिंग
yeah.
में, संडे आफ्टरनून में. तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा एक फैंस हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड टू गैदर टू गेट वन ग्लिम्स ऑफ MS Dhoni. I got a glimpse of him. He was coming back, returning back from his net sessions. I was just standing near the ropes. I smiled at him. He smiled back. So that was a moment for me from this trip. And the fans have started to gather. The fans have started to cheering. Have already started to cheer for him.
Well, absolutely. There are two things, Soumya. One is that Chennai Super Kings are synonymous to MS Dhoni. And second thing that even this IPL 2024, everyone's just talking about MS Dhoni, the Thala. Now, tell me, first of all, what are the vibes there in Dharamshala? Especially, they're going to see MS Dhoni there and Punjab Kings. For Punjab, it's their a second home ground. So, how people are reacting to this match and how excited they were when you had a chance to speak to them?
As I said, the people are really, really, looking forward to this particular encounter. MS had his hit in the nets in the practice wickets. सेंटर विकेट पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे. So वहाँ पे उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे स्ट्रोक्स लगाए. कुछ मिस भी हुआ, लेकिन the ones that got connected to his bat were really flying. So he is looking in another good shape, good form. And if he comes down to bat, you can expect some more fireworks from him as far as MS is concerned. But yeah, a lot of problems for CSK right now. They have been depleted. They have been plagued with injuries. The unavailability of certain players. Their bowling lineup is a bit shaky right now because they don't have some frontline players there. Also, Punjab Kings will be looking for another win. They're coming off into this game on the back of a couple of wins on the trot. That includes that
Yep,
record-breaking chase against KKR, and then they defeated
true.
the same opposition they're playing at Dharamshala. So they are in a
Yes.
very good, good momentum. They have a momentum on their side, and they will be looking to take away another win because that's very important as far as the points table is concerned.
Yeah, and points table will have definitely a great shift because of the result of this match. So I'm pretty excited what will happen because Chennai Super Kings are currently at the number 5 position
Yeah.
and Punjab Kings are at number 7. But let's quickly go to the team news, Soumya. First of all, I want to know from you who all did you spot in Chennai Super Kings? Because as far as we know that Fizz won't be there
Yeah.
ahead in this IPL anymore. Pathirana was supposed to go back to his country for the visa thing. Tushar Deshpande also had some sort of an injury. Deepak Chahar is injured. So what all is happening there in the CSK camp?
So as far as the bowling is concerned, as I said, there are a lot of concerns for CSK. Deepak Chahar is not there. He's been ruled out of
Okay.
this particular game. The medical staff will be taking care, will be judging him, and we'll see if he can take further part in the tournament. He's not playing this game. He hasn't travelled to Dharamshala even. He's in Chennai. This has been
Okay.
confirmed. Talking about Tushar Deshpande, he is fit, he is available, and hopefully Eric Simmons says that he will be there in the 11. Theekshana Pathirana का जो availability है, that depends upon their arrival. It's a kind of a बहुत clarity नहीं है उनके inclusion
Okay.
में 11 के अंदर. Yes, they traveled back to their country for the visa application and all. So उनके ऊपर कहीं ना कहीं clarity नहीं है. Talking about Mustafizur, as you said, he won't be taking any further part
Hmm.
in this tournament. So yes, as I said, ये थोड़े से problems हैं CSK के लिए because these are the frontline bowlers they have, and but it's an opportunity for the young crop as well to come up, and Eric Simmons has confirmed that there will be some changes in the 11 from the previous game. So yeah, you can expect some changes in that bowling department. I'm looking forward to a couple of youngsters there. I just hope they make it to the 11 now.
Well, let's just hope so, because Chennai Super Kings are really dealing with quite a few issues, especially in the bowling department. But over there, Punjab Kings also, Soumya. Tell us what's
Yeah.
the update around Shikhar Dhawan, their skipper.
He's not there. He's not there for the next couple of games, and he might take part in the last two remaining games. So he's not there today. He's not there in the game against CSK. He'll not be there in the game against RCB as well.
Okay, well, that's the update around the Punjab Kings and Chennai Super Kings. Quickly, Samir, tell us, you must have seen both the teams in the practice sessions and in the nets. Which team do you think is looking very strong against the other?
No, I'll just talk about the practice session. It's more about not looking stronger. It's about, I saw MS and Jadeja batting in tandem. 4-5
Oh,
बॉलें
wow,
पेस करा,
okay.
लंबे लगाए. MS comes, he hits some out of the park. एक कुछ बड़े सिक्स लगाए, and then so वही बहुत interesting और exciting moment था मेरे लिए. To watch them from close quarters, from the boundary ropes. And as far as I would say, Punjab Kings are more balanced. But CSK have young crop, young blood who can, chip in if required, if and when required. They have that firepower in the line, in the squad, and I just hope they capitalize on the kind of opportunity that is coming in because of the injuries, of course. But
Yes.
this is going to be an opportunity for them.
Well, surely this is going to be a big opportunity for them. But the biggest point over there is that right now, if you can't see the snow-capped mountains clearly, Soumya will come up with the bright footage tomorrow, because it's a day game, Punjab Kings and Chennai Super Kings. Soumya will connect with you tomorrow before the start of the match. Want to know how people will be reacting to the start of the match, and also quite excited to see both the teams in the abode of the Himalayas. Well, thanks a lot, Soumya, for joining with me, and see you tomorrow with the match report.
Thank you so much.
So I was joined with Soumya Kapoor, who is there in Dharamshala, who's covering things for us from Dharamshala, and he just mentioned that how Shikhar Dhawan won't be there for the game against Chennai Super Kings, and how Pathirana Thishana's arrival will be getting a clear picture tomorrow in the game only. Along with that, Deepak Chahar is not there. Tushar Deshpande will be there. He is pretty fit to play, and Mustafizur Rahman will also not be there for Chennai Super Kings now. So that's all about Chennai Super Kings and Punjab Kings. And for all the other details, you stay tuned to Cricket Next.
Fastest cricket score updates या सबसे detailed stats,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या healthy debates,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या fans का craze, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।